Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday today, but I am here in the school because it's Seneca's open house today. So I volunteered to assist in welcoming our guests. Open house is like a promotion or advertisement, marketing strategy to like introduce our school to the students. So I'll I'll return to you guys later, but it's still early. So it's gonna be from 10 to 2 o'clock, but the employees are required to be here at 9 a.m. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Especially when you're standing.
Lunchtime. This is our food.
Nice. Is the bee? We're looking for 2534 computer. Where is the innovation?
Innovation room. There's no room number.
Great video still on.
Oh, you are taking the video?
No, we aren't taking the video. Just what you're doing. Yeah.
You're taking the video, right?
Yes.
Could I take some pictures? Good. Look at the camera.
It's okay. Smile. Smile.
Yeah. Turn a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Smile.
Nice.
Pretend you're your model. There we go.
So there are less people now. can see. These are Grace and Ying. Okay, so that ends now our open house. It's 2 o'clock now in the afternoon, so we're going home. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye. It's the end of our activity today. Oh my gosh, we're like standing from 10 to 2. But there's a lot of food.
There is pain? No, no pain.
Like you can get whatever you want. Like how much you wanted. Oh, this is my shirt. See, it's my name tag. Let's go to
Go.
Markville.
York dead.
Yorkville, yes.
You're gonna buy Canada Goose. You will buy me Canada Goose. A napkin, please.
There. Now I'm hungry.
Hold it. So much dust on that thing.
Huh?
See the dust?
It's from the tissue.
Yeah, that's right. Got new shoes. It's not comfortable.
Why?
It's hitting this stuff. See, it's crazy.
Oh, it's not wide.
No, it's too low. Yeah, a little narrow also. Not comfortable, nothing.
Okay. So
Oh,
my
this is not. This already open.
that's my leftover. So my reward today is we're going to Apple. Bye bye.